And at the same time, just starting to notice that sensation of the breath in the body, that rising and falling sensation. Starting to notice where in the body you feel that movement.
Okay, good morning guys. So what you guys have seen so far is me making my coffee, just me meditating and writing manifestations in my journal. I'm not gonna lie, this is not something that I do every day. Today is Saturday, so I have more time. I don't have to go to my day job or whatever, so I have that time. This is something that I want to do every day, no matter what I have coming up in my schedule. So this is something that I'm working on. I just randomly thought that I would record a what I eat in a day Saturday edition. I've done this before. Hopefully you guys like it. So you saw me make my coffee. Baby is already off to work. I'm going to go to Ross and TJ Maxx. I'm looking for, so this is like, now I'm thinking about it, this is like a vlog slash what I eat in a day. So I don't even know what I'm gonna call it. I might call it that, vlog slash what I eat in a day. I make the rules, right? So I'm going to go to Ross and TJ Maxx. I'm looking for some deep conditioner because I'm about to take my locks down and wear my hair for a couple weeks before our next vacation. You guys are going to be excited about that. So yeah, I'm about to go throw a jacket on, some shoes, and get on out the door. Call my mom and see what she's doing, and I'll see y'all back in a minute. Right now it is 11:27. When I first saw y'all this morning, it was like 8 something. Since then, y'all would have seen me by now cut up that pineapple. I had a few pieces. I'm about to make breakfast. I'm gonna have some sauteed spinach, probably 2 pieces of toast, with some vegan butter and then 2 eggs. And yeah, that's what I'm about to eat. And so y'all about to see me whip this up real quick, and then I'm gonna do my hair. Okay. Yeah. So I just wanted to come on here and tell y'all that, and tell y'all how excited I am to watch the rest of, dang, what season is it? Hold on. Got my iPad right here. Boom. Y'all see my iPad? Yeah, I'm looking for the Fosters, because I saw they added the new episodes, and I freaking love that show. So let's find that real quick. Comment down below if you love the Fosters as well. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, I'm gonna post a video today. Today I will be posting the second day of California. Might be posting day 2 and 3. We'll see. Oh, yeah, we about to get started. So I'm about to start episode 10. And yeah, nobody ruined the season for me. If y'all have finished it already, nobody tell me. I'm about to whip this up. I'll be back with the finished results, and I might show y'all a little of me whipping it up. It's real easy. It might be boring. Y'all see the glasses, the light in my... Anyways, be back in a sec. Okay, guys, so don't judge me. Yes, my hair is finally out. I did it 100 million hours later. But I'm about to have, like, I guess like lunch. It's like 2:37. Lunch, snack, whatever. And I'm gonna have some pineapples and 2 small pieces of avocado toast. And it's gonna be fun. I'm so excited. Y'all can watch me make it. Just bear with me. It's gonna be so good. I'm so hungry. Y'all, taking your hair down clearly burns a lot of calories. So for all those hairstyles out there, I got y'all a treat now. So at the last minute, I decided to add like a half an apple, and this is about to be bomb. But I don't got time to talk. The way my hunger is set up.